Maghrabi. Elle est présidente des affaires mondiales de commerce. Et pour ne pas tirer trop la parole, alors on laisse Madame Nancy et notre ami John va nous aider pour faire la traduction de tout ce que Madame va nous dire.
Hello.
Bonjour,
Merci beaucoup d'être là.
thank you for being here, and I would like just to explain that as an Egyptian think tank.
J'aimerais justement vous parler des affaires des commerces comme ça se passe en Égypte.
How important think tanks are for countries like your own and like ours. Think tanks, basically what they do is work on several different sorts of microfinance, developing small and medium enterprises.
Et j'aimerais justement vous parler de similarités qui existent en termes de réseautage dans les affaires et dans le domaine des macrofinances et microfinances.
Basically, we can reach the people much faster and develop and incubate them.
Ça va justement nous permettre à ce qu'on puisse développer nos affaires le plus vite possible. Yeah, go on. Go on.
Oh, okay.
Mhm.
One of our projects was microfinance for
Nous avions élaboré un projet sur le microfinance dans le domaine de l'agriculture.
which we see as very important here today. This is something we can transform and
Ce qui amènera le projet microfinance dans le macrofinance.
we also when I first came I didn't know much about Congo, and as soon as I came off the plane I said to His Excellency how potential and appealing this country is for investment on several fronts.
Alors lorsque je foulais mes pieds dans le sol congolais, je n'avais pas beaucoup d'expérience, je n'avais pas beaucoup d'informations concernant ces domaines, mais un peu plus tard, je sus les opportunités d'investissement qui regorgent ces pays.
We see that we are on the same continent, we come from the same piece of land. Egypt is not of Africa, Egypt is part of Africa, and so is Congo. The relationships between Egypt and Congo have been always very successful, friendly. I saw a lot of people here that were trained in Egypt, and I was very happy on different things, from policemen to military to media and that really makes me proud that there's this relationship of training and know-how and transformation of know-how. And we do know in a lot of projects Egypt is investing in Congo concerning solar plants, medical, concerning electrical plants, medical centers, hospitals, etc. And hopefully you'll see the fruit within the upcoming 2 to 3 years.
Les relations bilatérales entre les deux pays, c'est vraiment au beau fixe. Et également, je suis très heureuse de rencontrer donc nos officiels congolais qui ont suivi des formations dans le domaine de la sécurité en Égypte. Et alors, je suis très heureuse et je crois que ces projets que nous avons ramenés ici en RDC vont nous permettre à ce qu'on puisse travailler dans le domaine de l'énergie renouvelable comme le panneau solaire, dans le domaine aussi de la santé.
Also, we see the macro projects. There's small and there's the macro. We see the infrastructure is very appealing to investors. We see logistics as also very appealing. We see capital market as also very appealing, especially that Egypt can show its experience. Our capital market's only 15 years old, so we saw a lot of problems we can actually get over. You don't have to start from scratch again. We can just have the success story of what Egypt has done in Congo, hopefully soon.
Outre notre projet microfinance, mais nous avons su un peu plus tard que dans le domaine aussi des macrofinances, il y a beaucoup d'appels d'offres et puis d'opportunités d'investissement en RDC. Et nous pensons que l'Égypte va travailler pour le projet dans le domaine des infrastructures et comment est-ce que l'Égypte va apporter sa contribution dans ces domaines.
We would also like in the near future to have a think tank here in Congo, such like GTM and what we do in Egypt. We would love to find a partner that we can do the same thing, because we work in several sectors: energy, environment, agriculture, finance, banking, capital market, trade agreements, and we would like to have the same pilot that we've succeeded in Egypt. We would like to have the same thing here.
Nous estimons que dans les jours à venir, en fait, c'est notre souci ardent d'avoir une représentation de GTM ici en RDC, parce qu'on travaille dans plusieurs domaines du coup, dans les domaines de l'agriculture, de l'environnement, des microfinances et tout le reste. She would like to know why the project is targeting only DRC, because they are most countries in Africa. Why you target only the Democratic Republic of the Congo?
No, actually, we have done over 6 different conferences for Africa altogether. We've had COMESA doing business with Africa in Egypt, and we invited the ambassadors and the business community. It's not just Congo, but there's always a starting point. We would like to start here in this side of Africa, in Congo, and another side, it'd be another country where we can't cover all of Africa, it's too big. So we have to choose a certain country and then branch out from there. So Congo was, according to us, where it was our choice because of our political and economical relations. But I have a platform to actually work with. Some other countries in this part I don't, but it just made sense to us.
Ils se retrouvent dans une plateforme, notamment de COMESA et d'autres structures, et pour travailler pour la couverture régionale et continentale. Mais le Congo, en fait, c'est le point de départ que le projet a voulu s'associer.
Also, safety and security is important for us. Either individual safety and security and investment safety and security. And we do know that Congo has 2 insurance companies for investment that they are members of, the MEGA, which is part of the World Bank, and the other one with the COMESA. So when I go back and talk to my private sector, I can ensure that the investment. Other countries don't have that, but it was more than one thing.
Et une autre raison qui fait que le Congo soit le premier choix, c'est que le Congo a besoin de la sécurité, le Congo appartient et déjà dans d'autres plateformes. Et puis, c'est dû également à des relations dans le domaine de l'économie, dans le domaine et de la sécurité militaire qui existe entre les deux pays. Donc, ce qui fait, vraiment, ça, c'est une autre raison qui fait que la plateforme porte le choix sur la RDC.
Also, we have already sort of, like I was just saying, a lot of people I met here were trained in Egypt, but they know what we are like. We're a bit different than the Arab world. We're different from Dubai, we're different from Saudi, but there is a communication already, they understand us and we understand them.
Alors c'est comme elle a également dit un peu plus haut là que elle est heureuse de trouver certains officiels congolais qui ont suivi des formations en Égypte. Alors ça facilite déjà la communication, ils savent qu'est-ce que c'est l'Égypte par rapport à l'Arabie Saoudite et tout ça. Donc cette facilité de communication qui existe déjà, c'est ce qui permet aussi que le Congo soit en fait mis en valeur dans leur choix.
Si je comprends bien, donc les relations qu'il y a entre l'Égypte et la RDC, c'est parmi les éléments qui vous rassurent que vos investissements ici seront bien protégés et auront de l'avenir. Moi, je voudrais savoir, alors à cette étape, est-ce que vous avez déjà rencontré les autorités congolaises pour parler de vos projets? Si oui, quelle a été la réponse qu'elles ont réservée à vos requêtes ou à vos questions? Et vous avez dit que bientôt, il y aura la représentation des GTM ici en RDC. Est-ce que vous avez déjà une idée sur la période précise de l'installation de votre entreprise ici en RDC? Merci.
Because at least 1 year to actually have it up and running, because a lot of training is involved. Think tanks use their heads and they analyze and they research. And at this point in time, we have to have a platform in Congo. We have to develop the research part and the focus groups and etc. And then say, yes, now we have a think tank here. So it takes training, analysis. Media is a very important part of think tank's job, because whatever I say and try to advocate to the government, the media helps me as a tool to actually push and create some sort of pressure group. The government that I didn't meet with many actually, very few. but I see they're trying to go up. They're trying to push the economy. They're trying to create business parks, industrial parks, and that takes time. It has taken us a very long time to create our first business park. It took us at least 15 years, but now we have 140 different multinationals, 45,000 employees, 20,000 blue collars. It's a success story. We have 6 industrial parks in Egypt, and I see that as the starting point, as a think tank, we want to create the perfect business environment to promote, not just to Egyptians, to promote regionally, to promote internationally. But I have to give him, if he's a manufacturer, I want him to manufacture in Congo, not import. This is not what we are here for. This is not what we're here to actually see. We want to see more manufacturing. We want to see more multinationals that exist and have a base here. To do that, you have to create different tools for the investor, capital market, the proper banking, and the proper logistics, the proper shipping, because he's not only going to sell his product in Congo, he will sell his product to Africa. But we want to have that hub here, by where it will make financial sense to him to actually come and open up in Congo.
So that can take 1 year, almost.
It will take us at least 1 year.
Yeah, donc formation, ça implique le section, le point focaux et tout ça. Donc, en outre, elle a également parlé que le plateforme en fait vise à ce que qu'il y ait l'implantation des multinationaux. Là, je crois que mon ami serait satisfait qu'il parlait des importations. Donc maintenant, on va fabriquer les produits à partir d'ici du plateforme.
I also would like to add that we are a private sector think tank. We work with the private sector, and we try to create public-private partnerships with the government, not work with the government directly. At fast-moving consumer products, I've met furniture, electronics, home appliances, mining, metal. I still need to meet with agriculture and others. I've only been here for 3 days. I still have a lot of homework to actually do. But yes, and we find it very appealing. They're very professional. They're very specific on what they want to do and their expansion plans and their sustainability. And this is something that we have to transfer back to Cairo and say, yes, you can find the right partner. And very soon we'll be doing something B2B, business to business, networking with the individuals that we're meeting and the different chambers and associations. Also, one of the very important entities that are Egyptian that we will be bringing to Congo is the Social Fund of Development, to develop the micro and the small and medium. We don't want to focus on the macro, just the macro alone. We want to focus on that and that. The Social Fund of Development will transfer their know-how and maybe actually be able to build a Congolese Social Fund of Development.
Et ce qui fait qu'elle va ramener ces rapports en Égypte pour qu'on travaille en collaboration avec ces secteurs privés, comment étudier, comment les appuyer.
Moi, je voudrais savoir, Madame est la patronne de GTM, mais elle est dans différents domaines en même temps. Ça fait 3 jours qu'elle est à Kinshasa. Je me dis c'est trop tôt quand même pour que déjà elle puisse avoir comme ça des ambitions d'investir en République démocratique du Congo, parce qu'on sait que quand un investisseur vient, il doit pouvoir faire des bénéfices. Quel est le domaine qui l'intéresse le plus? Où est-ce qu'elle pense pouvoir investir pour que ça puisse lui rapporter et puis servir à la République démocratique du Congo directement? C'est ça ma préoccupation.
Donc, il y a 4 priorités pour la RDC. Il y a le tourisme, il y a l'agriculture, il y a l'énergie,
capital market, stock exchange.
Et voilà, et puis le domaine des commerces.
Because you see, it's very important for an investor to know how his money is going to be transferred. The capital market and the stock exchange makes that much easier. The banking system also, it's still sort of, we're still developing it. So this is an easy way to come in and transfer your
Et également, ils vont également travailler dans le domaine des transferts monétaires.
Madame, vous êtes présidente d'une grande organisation d'hommes d'affaires. L'entrepreneuriat féminin ici en RDC souffre de beaucoup de maux et puis jusque-là, il est encore dans le bas niveau. Est-ce qu'on peut espérer qu'avec l'arrivée du groupe GTM ici en RDC, parce que vous avez parlé des microfinances, est-ce qu'on peut vraiment, GTM peut vraiment appuyer l'entrepreneuriat féminin, d'autant plus que c'est une femme qui est à la tête des GTM. Est-ce que vous aurez un accent particulier à mettre sur l'entrepreneuriat féminin ici en RDC, parce que c'est un domaine qui souffre encore jusque-là?
Entrepreneurs are challenged all over the world, even in the US and Europe, and you know how it is there. But again, I see 4 women here. That means there is development in that side. There are women I see in the hotel. A lot of business women. I don't know if they're entrepreneurs. They could be executive entrepreneurs, but basically it's the same thing. But I see it's not like Libya. I've been to Libya. I didn't meet a single woman that's working, not even as a secretary. Let's put it that way. So women in the professional world in general, all over the world, are developing, are getting more CEOs, chairwomen. It just takes time.